Good evening, everybody. All right, it's Carrie here with my test kitchen. So what you see right now, I have some beef ribs and I have my Quickcooker. I just got back from a road trip and I had asked my husband to take something out for dinner and he took out beef ribs. I was like, what? You want me to make beef ribs? It's the last thing I really want. However, they're out, they're somewhat thawed, pretty much thawed. So that's what we're having for dinner. And it is, as you can see, 5:20, and so we're gonna do this. So I opened them up, I just cut them apart. It appears that the membrane is already off of them, so that's awesome. I don't have to do that. So basically, super simple. I'm gonna follow the pork rib recipe that is in the Quickcooker recipe book. So it's basically, you're gonna use a barbecue seasoning. One of my favorites is this smoky applewood rub. There's lots of different kinds of barbecue ones. So you're just gonna season them all. It does ask for 6 ounces of root beer. I don't happen to have root beer today, so I'm just going to use Pepsi, actually. It's just the sugar is what it's looking for. And I'm going to pour that into the bottom of the pot. And I'm not even going to use a trivet. I'm just going to throw them in because there's so much here. I'm really going to give these a nice coating. I'll put them in and then I'll season it again. And literally that is it. And then I'm just going to turn it on. I've looked online for other pressure cooker recipes and they say like half a cup of apple cider vinegar and half a cup of water. I'm sure that is just as fine as well, but I'm used to doing the pop recipe, which we quite like, so I just don't want to mess with a good thing. All right, and then I'm just going to put on like the length of time it says, and it says 35 minutes. And actually, I am going to add 5 minutes to it because every time I do my pork ones, I find if I add 5 extra minutes, it's better. And because these are beef and they're thicker, I think that 5 extra minutes will definitely help. So, just wash my hand here quick. That's it, that's all. I'm just going to wrap this up. And I'm going to show you the front of the Quickcooker and what this can do for you. All right, so super simple. You're basically just gonna turn the dial. We've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 settings, but there's also all the custom settings you can do too. These ones here, these are not a pressure cooking setting, they're in the blue. So here we go, we'll just roll it over to pork, go to pork, and then I'll go time, and then I'll up it to 40. And then I'm gonna put the lid on and hit start. It's gonna take probably 10 minutes to pressurize, but you're gonna wanna make sure that this little button here is in the up position, and you wanna make sure that this little steam cloud is low here so they match each other, otherwise it won't pressurize. This little red button will pop up when it's pressurized, so you know it won't be able to open it. I'll just tell you a little bit about the bottom here. You're gonna wanna make sure you've got this ring inside. Ring does need to be cleaned too. They also come with replacement rings. If you're doing some baking it, you don't want the smell to transfer, you can replace it with one of our other ones. They come in different colors too. And here's your little red knobby. Little rubber seal does come out, and if for some reason to replace it, you can get replacement for it. You just pop it off and just clean it if you need to. So anyways, just pop it on, lock her, and hit start. So we'll see you all in about an hour, and after these are done, and we'll put a little barbecue sauce on them and make the sauce even a little thicker, and it'll just be even that much better. All right, thanks for joining. We'll see you in an hour.